Hey everyone, welcome back. Should be a fun one today. We're gonna head back into the property now that we know the tracks work on the side-by-side. We're gonna try to head in there again with that, but we're gonna do something else, something even more fun. Today I've got a guest with me.
And today we're gonna go sledding.
We're gonna try to go sledding. So we brought a hard sled, and then in the back of the side-by-side strapped in we have the tube. So we're gonna maybe pull that behind the side-by-side as we're driving when we get up there, or we may just end up just trying to sled down some of the hills. It's something I've wanted to try since we got the property. So that's what we're gonna try to do today. You're along for the ride. Let's see how it goes. Okay, to get back to my property, we gotta grab those ramps though, so that's what we're doing first. Here they are. They're at my dad's house. Put those in. Caught me. Okay, got the ramps in. You can see the tube that we got back there. Let's head on out. Okay, all fueled up the Maverick. We're gonna go grab some snacks. Okay, got our snacks. I got the buffalo chicken burrito. What do you got?
This is a really good pizza. It's pepperoni pizza.
Pepperoni pizza. Pepperoni pizza, a couple fountain drinks, and a burrito and a muffin. Chocolate muffin. Here we go. Let's see. Okay, here we are. We got it parked. Got side by side unloaded. Let's get it loaded up. You don't have to wear it yet. It's going to be pretty warm.
I know. I just want to.
Okay. Quite a bit muddier than it was last time I came. Last time I came, this was all covered in snow. Now it's just mud, but it looks like snow starts not too far in there, so hopefully we don't get too dirty. We'll see.
Good on both sides.
Yeah, we made it across again. Yeah, so now we're on our road, the road that we cut in. We'll head on up. Sled down the hill with the tracks. You already tried it once. It was pretty successful.
I made it all the way down there.
Okay, let's see if we can do it.
All right.
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
That's a big hill. Okay, let's see if this tube will work. They did not work for us the other day, but we're gonna try it again. Nope, we're gonna have to tighten this down more. Okay, we got the warm hat on now. It's a little cold. Snowing just a little bit. Had Beck go down a couple of times, but now we're gonna try this. Not sure how this is gonna go, but we'll see how this goes. He's gonna hold it and film it. You'll see it.
Hopefully I'm not gonna die. Oh, that was a hard hit. Oh, geez. I can't slide like crazy. Ah! I can't see that well. I need glasses. Ah!
Well, first try, how was it?
Mid.
Mid?
Yeah, mid.
Worked? Kind of worked?
Kind of.
Okay.
I was expecting more fast stuff.
I told you slow the first time. Now we'll go a little faster. You gotta hold on, okay? You ready to hold on?
I need to find out how to sing well in this thing.
We're gonna go a little faster now. And he's wrecked. He just wrecked kind of hard. Okay, here we go. He's back on. Let's go! Ready to do it again? Is that okay speed?
Just a little bit faster.
Faster?
Yeah, a little bit faster.
Okay. Okay, now he's gonna pull me. We'll see how this goes. I don't know. He's never really driven too much before. He's driven four-wheelers and motorcycles, you know, kid motorcycles, but he hasn't really done this. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah. It's very nice. More gas. Oh yeah. There we go. We're covered in snow. It's fine. We're gonna tip. Oh. Hold on! Uh-oh. Knot came undone. Or the rope. Or the rope broke. But he doesn't realize I'm not with him yet. Right there.
Fell off.
It broke. Or came apart.
Oh, it broke?
Yeah, that or the rope came apart. Okay. Okay, that was a lot of fun. Drove up and down a few times, pulled each other on the tube.
I drove it for a little bit.
Yes, you did. So, yeah, snow's really starting to come down now. So we're gonna pack up, get out of here before it gets dark, and before we get snowed in. Although we should be fine. But yeah, we'll see you down there. Okay, made it down through the hard parts. Just gonna do a quick walk around, make sure all the tracks and everything are okay, look good before we head out. So, those look fine, those look fine. We are covered in snow, but otherwise, tracks look good. Kind of a blizzard out there. I don't know if you can tell, but it's really coming down. We're gonna get loaded up and head on back.